Hello everybody, I miss you so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy to see you. Welcome back to my channel about trading. Okay, guys. Well, let's start. Follow this channel, of course, and for new people, for new members, please check up the description. You can find a link for my Telegram channel where you can find a lot of information about trading, about my interesting life. So I will be waiting for you, and let's get started our session today. Okay, let's preparing everything and be ready for our session. Okay, guys, interesting. I want to have a lot of money today. Okay. Do you believe in that? Okay, I don't know. Write me down in your comments. I'm sure that in the final part of this video, you will be sure that everything is possible. Okay, we start with 100. We're in the overbought zone on the Williams oscillator. At the same time, it starts to roll down and the candle is pushing off the upper boundary of the channel. Short option. And let's see what's happening. $192. Okay, guys. Well, great result. Okay. The first deal is great. Great start. We continue. I think we haven't entered the overbought zone. We're preparing it open an option down. We will be at least a pullback. So 192. Well, please. Guys, what do you think about that? Don't be nervous. Trading is so interesting process. 368, as I told you. Guys, congratulations. Okay, well. Okay, we continue with 386. Up option. Slip from the lower channel boundary and is starting to rise further, breaking the middle channel line. The oscillator has a margin of safety long 368. And while we're waiting, you can check up the description and find a link for my Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of information about trading, about my life, and we can talk with each other. So I will be waiting for you guys. Okay, what we have here, guys. Please, where is it? I want to have a lot of money. 706. Wow. Okay, do you like this? Me, of course. We continue with 707 down option, guys. According to the Williams oscillator, we're overbought. We expect a pullback for the reason. Down option, that's why. $707 down option. Everything will be great because you with me. Oh yeah, 1,357. Wow, guys. Okay, I know. Wow. We have the next deal, and it will be 1,357 down option. We approach the resistance level at 1.10386 and expect further downside. The escalator is also in the overbought zone. Therefore, we open a short option. Wow, 2,605. Oh my god, guys, can you imagine that? Me, no. Of course, no. Me, yes. Because I'm doing that really, really often. Guys, we continue. And I hope that you will be trader too, like me. Okay, guys, next deal is 2060 and up option. Very volatile asset, but fortunately there is a pattern. The price quickly changes to the opposite movement within the channel, therefore we expect a rebound from the lower boundary upwards. The oscillator has a margin of safety. Long option. $5,003. Oh my god. Yes, guys, I know it's absolutely crazy, but yes, it's us and it's our results. We break through the middle line of the channel. The oscillator has a margin of safety, short option. That's why $5,003 down option, and we're waiting that one. $9,600. Oh my god. We continue the last one. Okay, the last one for today, and it will be a 5,003 down option. We're in the overbought zone. We can see it on the Williams oscillator. We expect a pullback down from the resistance zone. $9,605. Oh my god, congratulations, you all. We are rich and famous. Oh my god, thank you for that. I'm sorry. I will be waiting for you here, and see you in the next video and in the Telegram channel. Love you all. Bye.